6 to 10 feet. Thursday night, south winds 35 to 45 knots. Seas 10 to 17 feet. Friday, south to southwest winds 30 to 40 knots. This has been a test of the NOAA weather radio tone and same alert systems. This test is conducted each Wednesday at 11 a.m. Specially programmed receivers are alerted for specific watches, warnings, and advisories. In the event that severe weather is expected on Wednesday, or there is inclement weather, the test is postponed to the next fair weather day. This concludes this test of the NOAA weather radio and same alert systems. Here are